In this video, let's talk about the way that you fix the Spotify premium subscription problem. Now, the first thing that you can do in this situation is try to ensure that you are using the correct credentials of the account that you used to purchase the premium version. So whenever you try to log into your Spotify account, you can see multiple ways of logging in. If you use a certain way of logging in or creating an account, then you'll need to use the exact method to be able to access these premium version. So make sure that it is not the case and try to ensure that you're logging into your correct account. Also, if you just subscribed to the premium version, then you'll need to wait out some time before the update is made and before you get the subscription. And so just wait out a couple of minutes so that your premium version of Spotify is loaded. Also, if you are in a member plan or a family plan, then make sure that the manager has not removed you from one of the members list. If they have, then you won't be able to use the premium version of Spotify. Lastly, if none of these solutions work out, then what you can look for is new updates available for Spotify. Search for Spotify on Play Store or the App Store. And if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap the update button. Also, what you can do is uninstall the Spotify app from your phone and then again re-download it. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Spotify premium subscription problem. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.